I trimmed off the excess fat, soaked my chicken in lemon for 20 minutes, and then washed it clean under cold water. I just added some kosher salt and some coarse ground black pepper, and I did add a generous amount, and you'll see why in a minute. I have a dozen cloves of garlic that I'm going to slice. I also have some fresh herbs here, some thyme. This is store-bought, but I do have some beautiful rosemary and pimentos from our garden. I know some people are going to say that these are not pimentos, but they really are. It's just a different type. The ones we're accustomed to in Trinidad and Tobago are the long, slender type, but these are also sweet seasoning peppers. I added my sliced garlic and chopped pimentos to the pot. The next thing I'm going to do is to add water to completely cover the chicken. And the last thing in the pot is our beautiful fresh herbs. So I know you guys are wondering what I'm doing here with this recipe. Well, you know, I came up with this recipe when I was staying with my cousin Andrew at his apartment in Brooklyn, in New York. And I didn't have a lot of resources, but I did find a shop close to where he lived where I could get these beautiful fresh herbs and garlic. And I said, well, how about trying to boil some chicken? And I know you may think that's not very appetizing, but believe me, it is absolutely delicious. So this is what we're going to do today. One of the things that you want to make sure of is that you have a proper amount of salt in this solution that you're going to be soaking or brining, kind of like brining your chicken in. The last thing I'm going to add is some Worcestershire sauce. I just remembered we had some fresh bay leaves from the garden as well. So I'm just going to add those to the pot before I put it in the fridge. The chicken has been sitting in the refrigerator overnight, and now I'm going to bring it to room temperature before cooking.